So how are you?
Hey, I'm good. What's up?
Nothing much, just got out of lunch. What'd you eat for lunch today?
For lunch, I had, like every day, I have a sandwich, and then I have
What
some
kind of sandwich?
chips. Oh, I always have a turkey and cheese sandwich. What do you have for lunch?
Well, I usually like brown rice, kung pao, chicken, and carrots. What do you like to drink?
I always have water because that's the healthiest way to go.
I'm more of an apple juice kind of guy.
Okay, that's cool. Well, usually when I don't have water, I'll have sweet tea because like that's the best. So, what's your favorite food?
Bacon wrapped chicken, how about you?
I don't have a favorite. Oh, that's cool. So here's our friend Robbie.
Anna! I'm in love with you!
Since when?
Since yesterday.
Yesterday? What happened yesterday?
I was just at home and I was just thinking and I was like, you know what? I need to be in love with somebody, so I just thought of Anna. I'm in love with Anna.
Robbie, listen. I'm sorry. It's just, it's not gonna be like that.
But why? He's pouring his heart out to you. I can't believe this.